How to fix microphone not working in Snapchat in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and find Snapchat. Now click on it, and then if you turn off your microphone, then turn it on. After turn on your microphone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and open App Store and search here Snapchat. Now here you can check your Snapchat have any update. If your Snapchat have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.